the Hori pad by Hori for the Nintendo Switch, wired controller. And this one's kind of cool because on the back of the controller there's like a swappable D-pad. And we're going to check that out. This was recently on sale. Some people were like, hey, this doesn't work on the Raspberry Pi, it doesn't work on the PC. But then other people were like, yeah, it does. So we'll see who was right and who was wrong here. I have no reason why this wouldn't work for those other consoles, especially a wired controller. As long as it's USB, you're all good. Unless it could be USB Type-C, and then you need to go get an adapter. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Caution, make sure the Nintendo Switch is updated with the latest system software. It is USB, regular. Lots of cable, and then kind of really long cable, which I like. All right, nice little silicone analog sticks. The D-pad here, and where's my removable D-pad, guys? Ah, okay. That's weird. That's really weird. Like, who's gonna use it like that? Okay. Am I missing a part? Interesting. The way because this box is all matte, it makes it look like this is a nice silicone D-pad, but it's plastic. But that probably makes sense because the silicone would wear out pretty quick. It does have turbo mode, select, start, home, and then you got your bumpers and your triggers. Feels okay. The other thing I'm noticing is it doesn't have a rumble pack in it now that I feel how it, so that's kind of a disappointment. So what do you think about that? What do you guys think about that? D-pad or a D-pad with buttons? Kind of random, right? Alright, we're gonna check this out on the gameplay. Pretty easy. Oh, he got me. Analog stick is good. I actually want to play the Super Nintendo version so I can... Oh. Ouch. Oh. Whoop, wrong button. Let's see if we can get the turbo button to work here. Yeah, so we're using the turbo button right now. No need to hold down the... Got him. Alright, so we can... Turbo button's nice. Cancel with the home button. Alright, so final thoughts on the controller. I'm a little disappointed it doesn't come with a rumble pack, but, you know, for something under $20, that seems a little ridiculous, as well as something that's, you know, licensed Nintendo product. I mean, I'm sure that comes with a price tag for them. I have to say this D-pad thing is kind of novel, to say the least. I'm not a fan, but it gives you a cool little option. I think the cool thing about it is, like, if you're using an analog stick based game, and then you go ahead and you know, use these as buttons, like C buttons, for example. Like, that could be kind of cool. But the turbo mode is awesome. The triggers are awesome. The cord length is awesome. The quality of the cord is great. I don't see this breaking anytime soon. Those are little things that people take for granted. So, you know, and then the Nintendo Switch controller is by some considered some of the best controller layout out there. Weight, it's perfect. It's not too light. It's not too heavy. I think if anything, some people might want a little heavier, but it's really good. It's in the good zone, in my opinion. So with all that said, I got this thing for $16 brand new, shipped with tax. I think it was like $15.52 or something before tax. And I think it's a killer deal. Really good deal. At $20, it's a decent deal. It's pretty good. So analog, great. D-pad is good. I mean, I was able to hit Hadoukens and things, so that's no problem at all. This thing is running really good. Anyways, that's what I think. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.